Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to activate Google Workspace for nonprofits. This is an excellent way to get your organization set up with professional email, cloud storage, and collaboration tools at no cost, making it easier to communicate and work together efficiently. First, open a web browser and navigate to the Google for Nonprofits site at google.com/nonprofits. This is the central hub where eligible organizations can access various Google tools and services designed specifically for nonprofits. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in with your organization's administrative account, enter the admin email address, and follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. This ensures that you have the proper authorization to make changes on behalf of your organization. After signing in, locate the section labeled Google Workspace for Nonprofits. This area is dedicated to helping organizations activate their workspace services. Look for a button that says Get Started or Activate and click on it. Before you proceed, you'll be asked to verify your eligibility. Take a moment to review the criteria displayed on the screen and confirm that your organization meets all the requirements, as this determines whether you can access the free services. If prompted, you'll need to submit nonprofit verification. This typically involves providing your tax ID or EIN along with any requested documentation that proves your nonprofit status. Once that's sorted, click Get Started or Activate within the nonprofit activation flow to officially begin the enrollment process. You may be offered a free trial at this stage, often a 14-day trial for up to 10 users. If this option appears, go ahead and select it to get started right away. Next, you'll need to verify your domain ownership. Google will guide you through this by asking you to add a DNS/TXT record or upload a verification file to your domain. This step confirms that you control the domain you plan to use with Google Workspace. After verifying the domain, create or assign a Google Workspace admin account. Set up a primary administrator with a secure username and password, as this account will manage all the workspace settings and user access. Now head into the admin console to configure your basic services. Enable Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and any other apps your nonprofit needs. These tools will form the backbone of your organization's digital workspace. If Google requests any additional information for identity or compliance checks, submit it promptly to finalize your eligibility and complete the activation process. Finally, you should receive confirmation that Google Workspace for Nonprofits is now active. Share onboarding instructions with your staff and begin setting up user accounts so everyone can start using the new tools. Thanks for watching.